This is Biotronix Ginha chiropractic gun, electric, 1200 Newton. This is the display panel. The gun looks like this, and these are the accessory attachments of the same. This is user manual, and this is carry bag to carry the same. This is how device look like, and now I'm showing you the demo of the same. I just switch on the machine.